Hey there, welcome to Anju's Universe. Today I'm going to do dahi vadas. So for that, first I'm going to do vadas and let me show you the things we need for vadas. So this is the urad dal. I have soaked it for around 6 hours and then I have grinded. We should grind it little thick, like we should not add water into it, otherwise it will be difficult to fry. And this is cashew. I have chopped it small pieces. This is green chilies and ginger. Green chilies you can take according to your taste, how much spicy you need you can take according to that. And with a little bit around 1 inch of ginger I have taken. I have peeled it and I have grinded with ginger and chili both together. And this is salt, we'll take according to the taste. And this is fennel seed. I have just pound it coarsely. And this is pinch of hing asafoetida. So what I'm going to do, I'll mix all in this and I have to mix it well so it become little lighter and fluffier. So first I'll put one pan and I have put some oil to heat in a low flame. Then I'm going to mix all the ingredients. This is our cashew, fennel seeds coarsely grounded, some pinch of hing asafoetida, and this paste I am going to add full, and salt according to taste. You have to mix nicely, it should be fluffier. So our mixture is ready. Now I am going to fry one by one. So what I have done here, I have put one round spoon. You can do with your hand also. I have put some water into it. So I will dip the spoon in water and then one by one we'll take that mixture and we'll put into the oil. So now you can see oil is also nice and hot. So I'm going to take like this round shape and I'm going to put in oil. Let me show you with hands how I will do. So I'm going to take like this and with like this I'm going to pour like this, or you can use like this and pour like this. Will not crowd too much, so this is enough for now. We'll fry in medium heat. So here you can see our vadas are ready. So I'm going to take it in a plate. I'm not going to use tissue paper because I'll put this in a ball of water. So excess oil will go automatically. So I'm going to take it out. As you can see, I have put one bowl of water, normal plain water, nothing added into it. So this is hot vadas. I'm going to add in this water. It's very hot. So all the excess oil will go and I'll leave it in this water for 2 minutes. Then I will tell you further. So this is done. What I'm going to do, I will just squeeze the water out. Lightly I have to press it, otherwise it will break. So slowly I will press the water out and then I'll take it out in a separate plate. As you can see here, oil is separated from this vadas. So this is the vadas I have put in water and I have squeezed it and taken out. And this is the yogurt, homemade yogurt. That video I have shown, you can check it out. So in this yogurt, what I have done, I have whisked it nicely with some pinch of salt and some black salt, some normal salt and some black salt, and I have whisked it nicely. So at this stage what I'm going to do, it should be like little bit medium, like paste type, because if it's too thick this vadas, it will absorb all the water. So if you want, you can add little bit of water. So I will put one by one into this yogurt, these vadas. And I will leave it for like around 20 to 30 minutes, so that it will absorb the flavor of that yogurt curd, and it will be like fully flavored with curd and densed, and it will be yummy. And later I'll show you more. So this is my favorite part, assembling all these things, and I'll tell you what are all these things are. It's looking so pretty, like tequila shots. So let's see this. This is chaat masala powder. This is red chili powder. This is cumin powder. This is green chutney. I have made a video also on this. And this is red tamarind chutney, sweet chutney. This also video is there. So let's get started with assembling. You can choose according to your wish, you plate in which you want to serve it, and let's get started. So here's our final dahi vada is ready. So this is how I have decorated. You can decorate it according to your wish. So all these things I have sprinkled. I have sprinkled red chili powder, cumin powder, then green chutney, then this amchur powder, and this not amchur powder, actually this is a chaat masala powder, and this red tamarind chutney. So this is how it's going to look. You can eat it chilled also, and after 2-3 days later also it will taste very nicely. So enjoy it, like it, and subscribe my channel for new videos. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Bye.